In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up new Google Workspace users and business emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new team member, create their professional email address, and make sure they receive their login details safely. Let's start at the very beginning on the Google Admin console. Open your browser and go to admin.google.com. Here, you'll sign in with your administrator account. This needs to be an account that has admin permissions for your organization, not a regular user account. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're using the correct one because only admins will see the controls we're about to use. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the admin console homepage. This is your main dashboard for managing users, email, and settings for your organization. From here, look for the section labeled Users. Depending on your layout, you might see it right on the homepage. If you don't see it immediately, you can also go through the menu by selecting Directory and then choosing Users. Both paths take you to the same place, a list of everyone who currently has an account in your Google Workspace. On the Users page, you'll see your existing users listed with their names and primary email addresses. At the top of this page, there's an option to add someone new. Click on Add New User. This will open a panel or window where you'll enter all the details for the new account. Now, you'll fill in the new user's information. Start with their first and last name. Take a moment to get the spelling right here because this name is what other people will see in their inboxes when they receive emails from this user. It's part of your company's professional image, so it's worth double checking. Next, you'll set their primary email. This is their new business email address under your company domain. For example, this might look like first name at yourcompany.com or first initial last name at yourcompany.com. Choose a format that matches your existing team so everything stays consistent and easy to understand. Once you type in the part before the at, Google will automatically append your organization's domain. You'll also see a field for a secondary email. This should be a personal or backup email address the user already has access to, such as a private email. The purpose of this secondary email is to give them a way to receive their temporary password or account recovery information outside of the new account you're creating. This is especially useful if they're not yet set up on your systems or if they're joining the company remotely. Make sure this is a current working email they can access right away. As you enter these details, take a moment to confirm everything is accurate: the name, the spelling of the primary email, and the secondary address. Any mistakes here can cause confusion for both the user and the people they communicate with. Once all the fields are filled in correctly, you can go ahead and complete the creation of the account. Google Workspace will generate a temporary password and send it to the secondary email you provided, or display it for you to share securely with the user. From there, they'll be able to sign in, set their own password, and start using their new business email.